Hey Rockstars, and welcome to another brutal episode of Today at Rockstar Garage. So Eddie got to work here working on this very nice G37S. He had to remove the transmission to install this Z-Speed clutch movement alteration kit. Basically, it's a kit that moves your slave cylinder to the outside of the transmission. Makes it easy to switch them out. And then he got to work on this absolute disturbing looking exhaust on an S2000. And what better piece to use
than the Jays Racing 70RR single exhaust.
So Jake's car finally got his StopTech rotors in. Shout out to StopTech for some awesome brakes, rotors, braking accessories centric. Before you know it, rotors back on, wheels are back on. Jake's ready to go.
Ready to rock and roll.
Alrighty guys, here's some proof. Here's a stock header. I weighed it. 20 pounds. There we go. Last video, DC header weighed 11.5 pounds. Stock header weighs 20 pounds. Excuse me. Anyways, this poor guy had just bought this S2000. He said he was just cruising on the freeway when all of a sudden, ka-dunk-ka-lunk, ka-chunk-a-chunk. He heard noises that could only mean one thing. Where did my piston go? I know Subaru guys tell that to themselves pretty often, but this time it happened to an S2000 guy. And good thing he came to us because he also needed a clutch. That Chinese clutch would not cut it, so we swapped it out for an ACT clutch. And within a few days, we had him back on the road, VTECing. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for stopping in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. We'll see you next time. Thanks.